a series of 200 topics on speaking. Today's topic is happiness. Question number 1. What do you think of happiness? Happiness is a state of being that everyone strives for throughout their lives. It might be a sense of well-being, joy, or satisfaction. Happiness is a subjective experience that can manifest itself in various ways for different people. Question number 2. Are you a happy person? Sure, I am a cheerful person. I try to stay positive and grateful for what I have, which helps me find contentment and joy in my life. I'd also emphasize spending time with people I care about, doing activities that make me happy, and taking time to appreciate my surroundings. Question number 3. Can you stay happy all the time? No, it is not possible to be joyful all of the time. Life is full of ups and downs, and it is normal to feel a variety of emotions. The key thing is to learn to cope with adversity and to seek balance and contentment. Question number 4. What makes you feel happy? I feel happy when I spend time with people I care about, do things that make me happy, and take time to enjoy the environment around me. I also like being outside and interacting with nature, as well as listening to music and participating in creative activities. Question number 5. What do you do to stay happy? I strive to be happy by staying positive, being grateful for what I have, and prioritizing things that bring me joy. I also make time for self-care by getting adequate sleep, exercising, eating decent food, and relaxing. Question number 6. Is it important to be happy? Yeah, happiness is essential. Happiness is associated with mental and physical well-being, and it can assist us in connecting with people, being more productive, and enjoying life to the fullest. Being cheerful can also give us the fortitude to deal with adversity and the determination to keep working towards our goals. Question number 7. Do you like making other people laugh? Absolutely. I enjoy making others laugh. I usually accomplish this by sharing humorous stories or jokes, employing comedic sarcasm, or simply being silly and cheerful. I, too, enjoy finding joy in everyday situations, and I believe it is critical to embrace the little things that can make us chuckle. Question number 8. What makes you feel unhappy? When I'm not happy about something, I often feel overwhelmed, worried, or anxious. I'm also upset when I can't spend time with people I care about or when I don't feel like I'm living up to my own standards. Question number 9. What do you do when you feel unhappy? When I'm feeling down, I attempt to take care of myself and engage in activities that make me happy. I also ask for help from friends and family and try to stay happy by remembering that this feeling won't last forever. These tactics assist me in regaining my sense of balance and contentment. Question number 10. Do you think money can make people happy? I believe that money can help individuals be happy, but it is not a guarantee of happiness. Money may provide people with some of life's essentials as well as the freedom to pursue activities and experiences they like. Money, on the other hand, cannot provide deep and enduring happiness. The text of all the questions and answers is available in the description.